Hi everyone. In this video we'll discuss about Dynamo scripts, and last session we have discussed about the user interface of the Dynamo. What is Dynamo, what are the packages, what are the nodes, how we can download those, and from where we can find whatever the downloaded packages that we have in our Dynamo. So in this session we'll move forward than that. So in this one we'll see basic Dynamo scripts, how they work, and what kind of output we can get from them. So for this one I'll open Dynamo, and in our last video of course we forgot to tell about Dynamo player. So in this one we'll cover that one, the basic things of Dynamo player we'll cover in this one. So let's open Dynamo. Yeah, it's open now. I guess all these points are covered now. If anybody did not see the last video, please check it out, that first one, and then come back on this one. So I'll click on new because we'll see the Dynamo scripts. Okay, first of all we'll see the basic Dynamo scripts from where we can find. So right here you can see at the help samples, there are a lot of Dynamo scripts given in these folders. So we'll start with the basics. So I'll click on basic 01. Yeah, so this is the first basic Dynamo script given by Dynamo itself. So right here you can see Dynamo, the description of Dynamo, the inputs and the operations that execute, something like that. The theoretical portion, you can read it out. Right there you can see we have used this particular node. We have used all these four nodes, but the main function of this script executed by this particular node. This is math node in terms of Dynamo, and this is addition node. Of course we know about that thing, and there is the input x and y value are required. Here we can see that it's not in black color, this is in gray color. It means it will not run properly if I run the Dynamo script. And why? Because the y input is needed for this particular node. So in that case what we can do, we can add the x value as well the y value with this one. Now here we can see it's showing in black color properly. If I'll run this we of course know that 2 plus 6 will be 8, but let's run the Dynamo script and we'll see the output. So right here we can see the output is given as 8. So okay, I'll tell you about Dynamo player without opening a Dynamo script, how we can run a Dynamo player. So first of all I'll save this script somewhere else, not right here, because we can change something in that one. So I'll go with this one. Okay, right here, just one, just for example. I've saved this one. I'll close this one. Okay, I'll close the Dynamo because we can give the inputs from Dynamo player as well. So first of all, that's very important thing. Before running the Dynamo player, you need to assign the input values, what input values are needed for that particular Dynamo script. That's very important. So now here we can see there are a lot of Dynamo scripts. These are default Dynamo scripts given by Dynamo. We can check it out, those one as well. But now we'll go with our first one as well. I'll show you how we can run the Dynamo script right there. The first Dynamo script we can see, press play for more information about Dynamo player. This is just title, and they're given, like, if you want to learn more about Dynamo player, you can just click on play button. This is the play button. This is for the input right here, and this is for editing the Dynamo script that contains this one. Okay, so if I click on play, there will be one pop-up at the Dynamo at the Revit screen. If I'll move it a little bit side, this kind of pop-up will come. So you can read it, what is Dynamo, something like that, and after that you can click on close. When I'll click close, the Dynamo script will be completed. So if I'll click on close, Right here you can see run completed and showing in green without any warning, so it means it's completed properly, and it should be, because there is nothing else in that one. Okay, so but for our trial we'll go in our particular folder where I have given that particular desktop Dynamo. Yeah, so whatever Dynamo scripts will be available in that particular folder, right here we can see those. So currently I have two Dynamo scripts in that one, so we can see right there two Dynamo scripts. We'll discuss about that thing later in my next video, episode 3 of course. So right here if I'll click on this one, so first of all I need to give the input. Let me check that the basic Dynamo script already assigned as input. Yeah, that's assigned as input. And how we can assign any input parameter right there in Dynamo script, we'll discuss about that thing. So first of all we can click on edit in Dynamo, so that we can open the Dynamo from right here only. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, so our Dynamo script has opened now. Right here if I want to assign any node as input, so I'll click on that, right click on that. You can see right here is input or is output. So this is my input node, so I'm assigning is as input, and this one is also already assigned, but I'm just telling you this is checkbox is right there. So that's how we can assign it as input or something like that. Okay, so now if I'll close this one, because I did not change anything. If I'll change something, suppose if I'll uncheck it as input, then right there if I'll close this one after saving, of course, right there you can see this kind of thing has been shown. If I'll refresh it, so the input will, okay, I need to close the Dynamo first. Okay, let me tell you, if I'll refresh it now, the first input will be gone, because I have removed the input thing from right there. So let it be refreshed now. After that we'll move. Yeah, right here you can see one input only remained. So but we needed both the inputs. So what I'll do, I'll click on that. It is not necessary that it will not run the Dynamo script right now. It will run the Dynamo script, but if you want to change the value of that particular parameter as well, then we cannot edit in Dynamo player. Okay, so if we needed that to be changed, then we need to add as input. If we need that it needs to be freezed, like just the particular value only assigned for all those things where we will run that particular Dynamo script, then we can not assign that particular node as input. That will be fine, it will run in Dynamo player. But I want to change the value, so I'll click on that one. Let it open the Dynamo script. So this is very basic Dynamo script that we are talking about. So I'll assign it as input again, and we'll save this Dynamo script and close this one. Refresh it. Yeah, so suppose if I'll run this Dynamo script, obviously it will say that it is completed. So that is how we can run a particular Dynamo script in this case. But one more thing is right here, as we have run the Dynamo script, but we cannot see the output of that particular Dynamo script. So how we can see the output of that particular Dynamo script? Like if I'm running this Dynamo script for the addition of 6 plus 2, then the result should be shown right there. Whether if it is not shown right there, then I need to reopen the Dynamo script. Then there's not any sense of playing the Dynamo player. So how I can see the output? So for that, we need to edit something in Dynamo script. So I'll click on edit in Dynamo. And we'll give some node that we want to see as output. So we'll give that particular node as output, and let's see what happens. So I'll minimize this one for now, and and we'll maximize this one. So I want this watch node to be treated as output, so I'll right click on that, we'll click on is output, so that it will show me as output, and I need to rename this one as output and accept. That's fine. Now I'll save this one and I'll close this Dynamo. I need to see right here. Yeah, we have changed the file name, so we need to refresh it first of all. Not the file name, sorry, we have changed something in that file. So yeah, so right here we can see the output, but if I'll move the cursor right there, he says run script to see the results. So first of all, we need to give the input and we need to click on play button of the script, and then we can see the output is 8. So that is how we can see the inputs and outputs in the Dynamo player, and we can run accordingly. It's very important right here that it shows run completed without any warning. Right now it's showing what. So that's very important, and thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Hope you have learned something about Dynamo. We'll meet in my next video. Thank you.